the Chennai Silks Aadi sale. Up to 50% discount. The Chennai Silks.
பொதுவா சின்ன திரையில ஆரம்பிச்சு பெரிய திரை வரைக்கும் இருக்கக்கூடிய செலிபிரிட்டிஸ், அதுவும் குறிப்பா பெண்கள் எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா தங்களுடைய ஃப்ரீ டைம்ல நிறைய விஷயங்களை அவங்க பண்ணுவாங்க. அதுவும் இந்த லாக்டவுன் பீரியட்ல நிறைய பேர் வந்து போட்டோ ஷூட்ஸ் பண்ணி வெளியிடுறது நம்ம பார்த்தோம். அது மட்டும் கிடையாது, விளாக்ஸ் பண்றது, தங்களுடைய ரொட்டீன் என்னவா இருக்குங்கிறத மக்கள் கிட்ட ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கிறதுன்னு நிறைய பேர் நிறைய விஷயங்களை பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. ஆனா இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சமயத்துல ஒரு டாப் மோஸ்ட் ஹீரோயின் ரொம்ப மக்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லான ஒரு விஷயத்தை வந்து பண்ணிருக்காங்க. எஸ், ஆக்ட்ரஸ் சமந்தாவை பத்தி தான் நம்ம பேசிட்டு இருக்கோம். ஹோம் கார்டனிங் பத்தின ஒரு வீடியோவை சமீபத்துல அவங்க வந்து ஷேர் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. அதாவது ஜீரோ பட்ஜெட்ல எப்படி வந்து அர்பன் ஃபார்மிங் பண்றது அப்படிங்கறத வந்து அவங்க ஒருத்தங்களோட சேர்ந்து டிஸ்கஸ் பண்றாங்க. அண்ட் அந்த வீடியோ வந்து அவங்க ஷேர் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. அது மட்டும் இல்ல, இது மக்களுக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும் அப்படின்னும் அதுல நிறைய யூஸ்ஃபுல்லான இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ஸ் அவங்க வந்து வழங்கியிருக்காங்க. சோ அந்த வீடியோட தொகுப்பு தான் இப்போ நீங்க பார்க்க போறீங்க.
Hi Bhargavi, thank you so much for doing this, being part of Grow with me, making urban farming cool. So thank you for being here.
I should thank you. So basically being in that position, you're trying to get your hands dirty and you're trying to educate people to get hands on gardening is something amazing. No, I'm glad to be a part of your initiative.
I'm pretty ashamed that I'm so late to this actually. Tell me how this all started. I know everybody has a story, right? There was probably this one moment that sparked off. Like, I know that there was a story for me. So what was that one moment that made you invest in all of this?
So whenever I used to go to my hometown in my summer vacations and all, my grandma, all she used to do is she used to go to the backyard, like whatever is available, and she used to come and cook. So I felt, garden is dictating the menu for the day.
I know.
And I felt it's so rewarding, you go into the garden, something or the other you get it, right?
I swear that's the most amazing feeling. Because for me, that's the reason why I started cooking in the first place. Usually, people who cook want to grow their food, but for me, because I started growing my food, I want to cook. Because here I'm growing all of this food, and now I want to be able to make something with this beautiful produce. That's the reason why I wanted to share this and say that gardening is cool, dude. Like, knowing your nutrition, knowing where your food is really, really cool.
I believe that soil health has a direct impact on our health. So when you know that you're growing food at home, you know what the soil is made of. So that way you're also pretty much, you understand, how safe is your soil and how safe is the produce that is growing from that soil.
I have this, okay, if it's so good, right, for all of us, it's just, we all will know only benefits. Kani, why is everybody not doing it? So according to you, what is stopping everyone from growing their own vegetables and growing food? What are the problems that you think that you can help with? What are the tricks that you have, the help that you can give for someone who says, ఇప్పుడు నాకు స్పేస్ లేదు, సీడ్స్ కొనాలి, పాటింగ్ మిక్స్ కొనాలి, ప్లాంటర్స్ కొనాలి, ఖర్చు అవుతుంది, టైం ఇవ్వాలి దీనికి. సో ఇట్స్ లైక్ all of these problems that are stopping me. Rather than that, I just go to the market and buy it, so what would you say to these comments?
So when I started growing, it was a disaster. And trust me, I used to spend hours and hours in making something happen. To grow even methi, I failed like 4 or 5 times. But that's my learning, I've made mistakes, I've learned from it, and I've figured out, what works and how easy it is to grow methi. If you ask me, even a 5-year-old can happily grow methi.
Correct.
So for people who ever say the time is a constraint or the space, people majorly talk about space. I live in an apartment, I don't have space and all. Maybe these ideas, maybe they should look at these ideas, This is something almost 80% of the households will have, the milk packets.
This is a milk packet.
Milk packet
and
mint. So if you can manage to save 5 or 6 milk packets, and if you can manage to sow some methi, you will have the methi growing throughout the week.
కానీ ఎలా, లైక్ జస్ట్ గార్డెన్ నుంచి సాయిల్ తీసుకొని దీంట్లో పెడితే will it grow?
What I do is, initially I used to buy the red soil from the market. But I figured
market
out...
ante
Nursery. So when I figured out that I can heal the soil which is available around my home, that's one trick that I've learned with my experience.
Okay.
So all I do is I kind of layer the kitchen waste with soil and I make my own potting mix. But to grow methi or mint or mustard, all these, all you need is some soil and water. So what we can do is just sprinkle the soil
సాయిల్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు జస్ట్ మామూలు సాయిల్
మామూలు సాయిల్ ఫర్ మైక్రోగ్రీన్స్ మామూలు సాయిల్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో గుడ్.
మామూలు సాయిల్ జస్ట్ స్టోన్స్ తీసేసి
మేక్ ష్యూర్ దేర్ ఆర్ నో హార్డ్ లంప్స్ ఆల్సో. కొంచెం ఫ్రీ ఫ్లో ఉండే సాయిల్ తీసేసుకొని జస్ట్ పుట్ ఇట్ అండ్ టేక్ ద సీడ్స్. ఇట్ షుడ్ బి
దీంట్లో కొన్ని హోల్స్ ఉండాలి కదా.
Yeah,
there
holes.
should be some holes.
To 1 or 2 holes for the
Okay.
excess water to drain out.
Okay.
And take some seeds, methi or mustard, which are available in the kitchen. You really don't have to buy them. You don't have to see Amazon or anything.
Okay.
Just take seeds. So when we talk about microgreens, specific ga methi, mustard, ఇవన్నీ grow చేయాలంటే they have to be sown very closely. చాలా దగ్గరగా sow చేయాలి. ఎందుకంటే they take support from each other and grow. దూరంగా ప్లాంట్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుందంటే with the wind and all they fall down.
Okay.
And another mistake what people do is after putting the seeds they kind of add too much of layer on the seeds. So basically 1/4 inch is good enough for them to germinate. So don't 1/4 inch to half inch is what you need to cover the seeds with.
మేతి కూడా ఇలాగే.
Methi, mustard.
Oh,
talk about spinach.
I have put full. So if it's a smaller the seed, little depth only.
Little depth, and just make sure it is covered. And just until they germinate, we just have to make sure the soil is moist.
Okay.
Don't let it dry out
And
completely.
put in the sun.
You did not put it in the sun. When we talk about microgreens, you can put it on your dining table or the windowsill or in your balcony if you have space.
Okay.
That is good enough.
Okay.
So if you are harvesting them at this stage,
How many days is this?
this is 5-6 days.
5-6 days.
5-6
so you
days.
harvested 5-6 days. 5-6 days you have fresh.
Exactly.
Fresh
Just chop,
methi.
put it in your. Most
సో దీనికి ఎక్స్క్యూజే లేదు. కోకోనట్ అందరు హౌస్ లో ఉంటుంది. ఎవ్రీవన్ విల్ హ్యావ్ అ మిల్క్ ప్యాకెట్. సో నో ఎక్స్క్యూజెస్. No, there is absolutely no excuses for this soil. You can get anywhere. And then seeds. So seeds also, I guess, what? Mustard seeds,
methi seeds, coriander, you get it in your kitchen. So as a beginner, if you want to start with greens, microgreens especially. So because that is very fast, with less than a week you can start harvesting them. Okay. And you'll also learn that basics of gardening, how it works and all.
So how much water? ఇప్పుడు moist అంటే just spray water.
Just spray water, just sprinkle. I would say sprinkle in a way that the seeds are not getting disturbed.
Okay.
Generally we tend to pour water, which we should not do that. We have to handle them very gently until they germinate. Once they germinate, you should only water them if the top layer is completely dried out. You don't have to water them twice a day. We should not overdo.
Okay.
Only if the top layer is dried, that's when you should sprinkle water.
Okay.
You don't have to literally pour it.
Sunlight, what is this sunlight? How much sunlight and what is that relation to plants and how?
Okay, if we talk about microgreens or microgreens, specific microgreens, you don't need sunlight. Even semi-shade is fine. And when we talk about leafy greens, put it in a place where you can at least get that 1 hour of sun. Leafy greens ante palak kani, those things. 1 hour. Ledu ante growth will be little slow.
So apartments lo easy ga 1 hour you will get even windowsill nunchi vastudi kada 1 hour 2 hours.
And when we talk about vegetables like our local vegetables, tomatoes or green chilies, mana daggara pande, mana varieties ki mana environment enti manaki end ekkuva. So even they demand that equal sun. So you would need at least 6 to 7 hours of good sun for a very good produce. నీకు 1 hour తక్కువ ఉంది, 4 hours వస్తుంది, still you can still grow. Maybe నీకు ప్రొడ్యూస్ ఎక్కువ రాకపోయినా you're still getting something out of it.
What were the mistakes that you made?
Like you were telling me, when I sown the methi seeds, I literally buried them. I didn't sprinkle the seeds. I put the seeds and literally covered it properly. Okay. That was one mistake which I've learned with the greens. Apart from it, giving too much of nutrition. Plant undi ante we kind of treat it like a baby and 3 times a day water poyedamu, like every alternate day nutrition ivali. And no, we don't really when we.
So how much nutrition? And nutrition ante enti? Ipudu plant nutrition ante enti?
So nutrition enti ante apart from kitchen composting. Like to tell you my trick, I'll talk about the tricks later on. What I do with the local varieties em chestanu ante diluted milk or diluted buttermilk. I suggest buttermilk more than milk because milk will leave those white patches which might not look really good when you see them. So buttermilk is something I suggest when we talk about green chilies or tomatoes. Buttermilk once in a while, or eggshell powder
is a nutrition.
Yeah, eggshell powder, banana peel water or banana peel, you can simmer coffee powder. A combination of eggshell powder, banana peel powder and coffee powder takes care of all the nutrition a plant needs when we talk about the local varieties. And you can give them, maybe twice a month is what
Is
you
enough.
need. Is enough. Is more than enough.
So you don't have to buy special nutrition.
Not
from
needed.
The
That's the advantage of growing local varieties. It's maintenance free.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the advantage.
And I think a lot of us Indians, we eat a lot of leafy greens, a lot of amaranth and lot of lot of leafy greens, spinach and
Yeah.
I think about 50%, 60% of
Kothimira, talk about kothimira. Everyone will use it. Yeah.
yeah, so it's like these things are so easily that we can grow. So I think that we should give it a try. And
Yeah.
what is the best feeling about gardening?
For me, first reason is it's rewarding. Okay, you do nothing, but still you are getting something good. And trust me, I know everyone can make money, but if you ask me, if we have money, people think that if we have money, we can buy safe food, good food from outside and all. But trust me, there is no such safe food outside. What you grow in front of your eyes with your hands is what is the safest you can consider. So I strongly believe in that. And if you know that gardening is not going to take 10 minutes of your time a day, and you're getting such a safe, all natural and power packed food, and the advantage of growing thing like this, you know when you want to harvest. You can harvest whenever you want. You really don't have to choose what to harvest. When you go to the market, we kind of, we might not, if they're not fresh, we don't pick it. But when we grow at home, just chop, just pick and cook.
For me, when I, when making food, it's just so easy. Get like 1 kg of tomatoes and 1 kg of onions just and make the food. But now I know that for a tomato to come, it takes 30 to 40 days of caring for a plant and watching it grow and making sure that pests don't come and making sure that calcium is there and nutrition is there and that plant and that seed is breaking itself to give fruit to nourish me. It is also feel it's sort of a connection and a sort of a gratitude that as a human being we have lost, that sense of connection and gratitude to nature and to earth, and that's why we've lost that connection among human beings itself.
True, I agree.
So, I think for me it's been that reconnect and a sense of gratitude and also the sense of sorry that we've taken for granted
yeah.
so much, so in that way I think it's been a healing process.
So, when you get into the gardening, I'm telling you, it's an addiction.
Yeah, it is.
It is an addiction.
I only want more and more,
and
more plants.
When you really want that, you want to grow more and all, you'll start looking how to grow, right?
Yeah.
So that's when you'll start reusing all those takeaway dabbas, talk about anything.
And when you live like if you're in a closed apartments, like all of us, most of us live in apartments, that visual of green, right?
Yeah.
Green plants, I can't tell you how much it has calmed me and it has reduced my anxiety, it has reduced stress levels. So the benefits of this is just like I can keep adding on with every day of me realizing all the benefits that gardening has. Truly, I now understand why they keep including it as in therapy, saying that include gardening as a practice. So for all the questions about is gardening expensive, I think you answered. No, it's not. And I think you do a lot more than just gardening. You work with compost, and you believe that everything needs to, there should not be any waste. And please talk about that. What is it that apart from gardening, I think you started with compost.
Yeah,
right?
I also do composting at home. Like as I told you, I failed multiple times. Composting is also a part of it. I used to make a stinking mess out of compost. It used to stink. And to make it easy and to sound it easy, I suggest people, think of making a dough. When you're adding the compost, it only stinks when it is too wet.
Wet, yeah.
So that time you're supposed to add some dry waste. Dry waste, it can be a
Dry
coconut,
leaves.
dry leaves, soil, all those things. And if it is too dry, sprinkle some buttermilk or water. I suggest buttermilk because it has millions of microbes, even in 2 cups of buttermilk. So you're introducing more microbes to the pile. So, the breakdown will be little faster.
Okay.
So it's just keep that dough formula in your mind, and you know
You're
if something
saying
is
2
not.
caps of buttermilk.
Yeah, if it is too dry, add a little more. I don't make composting as pani laga నేను చేయను. I just made it work for me the way it's going to say, because I work, I have a family to take care of, I have pets. So doing so many things and gardening, people think how are you. There are so many people who ask me how do you manage time and all.
Yeah.
Trust me, all I spend is 15 minutes. I go with a cup of tea and I just see all my plants if they're healthy. Like I said, if there is any pest, I mean, if you go every day, that's when you will start seeing, right? If you see a pest, I just remove that leaf, put it in the compost bin. That's what I do. 10-15 minutes is what I take. And in summers, yeah, watering will take a little longer, but rest of the seasons, it's like, I water them only once.
All in all, you are setting a great example. So I hope that a lot of people realize how cool this is and how self-sufficient.
Correct.
And self-sufficiency makes you so independent and empowered and powerful.
Yeah.
Like you don't need anybody or anything to do anything for you. You just have it all done, and it makes you feel very powerful actually. And cool. Cool is the word I think that the younger generation needs to hear.
Yeah.
That this is cool.
Urban farming is the coolest thing one
It's
can
the
adopt
coolest-
in their lifestyle.
Yeah. So what do you have to say to our urban farmers?
Okay.
The young urban farmers.
The waste is not waste if you treat it right. It can be the containers or it can be the kitchen waste. Nothing goes waste from your kitchen is what I tell people. So it's simple. You really don't put too many questions. Don't Google so much. Just get started with all the tips which we just shared, me and Samantha. If Samantha at her position is able to manage to grow a garden, I'm sure everyone else will have time to do that.
You mean I'm so useless that I can grow a garden?
So much schedule and all that. If you are getting your hands dirty, everyone else should.
Yeah, I love my garden. It's my most favorite place in my house right now. Yeah.
That's what I do. If I go into the garden, if not tomato, I'll at least have something else to grow, to
Yeah.
cook for that day. So that's what I do.
Yeah, these days, like if anybody asks, is there any lettuce? I'm like, what? Is there any lettuce? How dare you ask that question?
And imagine, my market is in my balcony. Imagine answering people, my market is in my balcony, it's on my terrace. That's what, it sounds so cool.
Never ask that question again,
Yeah.
ever. Can I get a green smoothie? No. Ask for yes. I want a green smoothie.
It's so cool, growing your food. It's talk about the way you've mentioned about connection and all. That is one big reason what I suggest people. You should get your hands dirty, start growing food, and make it as a hobby. Make it as a part of your lifestyle. It's the coolest thing that everyone can do.
Thank you so much.
I should thank you for this opportunity.
கார்டனிங்க நம்ம வீட்ல கூட ட்ரை பண்ணலாம் போல இருக்கே அப்படின்னு பெண்கள் மட்டும் இல்லங்க, எல்லாருக்குமே இந்த ஒரு ஐடியாவை கொடுத்திருக்காங்க சமந்தா. 0 பட்ஜெட்ல அதுவும் ட்ரை பண்ணும் அப்படின்னா யாருக்கு தான் இஷ்டம் இருக்காது. சோ 0 பட்ஜெட் கார்டனிங் இந்த ஒரு வீடியோவை பார்த்ததுக்கு அப்புறமா நம்ம எல்லாருமே நம்ம வீட்ல கண்டிப்பா ட்ரை பண்ணலாம்.
The Chennai Silks Aadi Sale. Up to 50% discount. The Chennai Silks.